We will discuss how to solve a partial differential equation by the method of separation of variables. For that, consider the question: solve uxy minus u equal to 0. In this case, u is the dependent variable and x and y are independent variables. Also, we can see that this is a linear partial differential equation in which each term contains either dependent variable or its derivative. We can solve such type of partial differential equation by the method of separation of variables. So here the first step is to assume u equal to xy is the solution of the given equation, where x is a function in x alone and y is a function in y alone. Mathematically, we can write this concept as x is equal to x of x and y equal to y of y. Now next step is finding the derivative which are present in the given question. So in this case, only one partial derivative is there, that is uxy. So we will find out uxy and we will substitute that one in the given question. So for that, first we will find out ux. Its meaning is that partial derivative of u with respect to x. For finding this, we have to consider y as a constant. So since y is constant, this capital Y is also a constant. So we can write it as capital Y into dou x by dou x. But here our assumption is that x is a function in x alone. Therefore, this instead of this partial derivative, we can write it as total derivative dx by dx. And now next we will be finding uxy. So for that, you differentiate this one again partially with respect to y, considering x as a constant. So since dx by dx contains only functions in x, it is a constant with respect to y. So we can write it as dx by dx multiplied by derivative of y with respect to y. So that can be written as dy by dy. Now we will substitute this in the given question, that is in uxy minus u equal to 0. So we can write it as dx by dx multiplied by dy by dy minus u is xy, that is equal to 0. Now then, next step in method of separation of variables is that we have to separate variables. So we have to keep all the functions which contains x on one side and all the functions which contains y on the right hand side. So for that, we can write this one in this way: dx by dx multiplied by dy by dy equal to xy, or we will write it as 1 by x into dx by dx is equal to y divided by dy by dy So now variables are separated. So left hand side contains functions in x alone and right hand side contains functions in y alone. Now then, next step is that equating each side to a constant k, which is known as separation constants. So we can equate each side to a common constant k (1 by x dx by dx equal to k and y by dy by dy is equal to k. So now we got two ordinary differential equations. So while solving the first ordinary differential equation, we will get the value for x, and while solving the second one, we can find the value for y, so that we can write down the required solution. So now next aim is to solve these two. So for that, then these two are first order ordinary differential equations. So we can separate variables in these two equations. So we can rewrite this one like this: 1 by x into dx equal to k dx, and here we can write this one as, first of all I'll write this as y equal to k dy by dy, and now this is same as k dy by y is equal to dy, or I can write this as dy by y equal to 1 by k into dy. So therefore I'll write these two equations once again. So 1 by x dx equal to k dx. I'll take this as second equation, and from here we can write dy by y is equal to 1 by k into dy. Now we will integrate. So they are in integrable form. So integrating second one and third equation. So this is our third equation. So then integral of second equation is that log x is equal to kx plus constant of integration. I'll take it as log c1. Instead of writing, I'll write it as log c1. And from the third equation, we will get log y is equal to 1 by ky plus log c2. Now from here, we can find out the value for x, and from here we will get value for y. So now I can write this as log x by c1 is equal to kx, and log y by c2 equal to 1 by ky. Therefore, x by c1 equal to e to the power kx, and y by c2 is equal to e to the power 1 by k into y. This implies x is c1 e to the power kx, and y is equal to c2 e to the power 1 by ky. So we started the method of separation of by variables by making the assumption that u is equal to xy is the solution of the given PDE. Therefore, we can find u equal to c1 e to the power kx multiplied by c2 e to the power 1 by ky is the solution. Or we can combine constants here. So instead of c1 into c2, we can write another constant c into e to the power kx into e to the power y by k is the required solution. So in the method of separation of variables, first we will assume u equal to xy is the solution, and then we will find out all the partial derivatives which are involved in the given question, After that, substitute these partial derivatives and the value for u in the given equation, and then rearrange the terms in the partial differential equation in such a way that one side contains only functions in one variable. After that, equate each side to a common constant, and then we will get two ordinary differential equations. Solve these two ordinary differential equations by any known method. After that, find out values of capital X and capital Y and substitute it in the formula u equal to xy and simplify and write down the final answer.